Open up the hanger. There goes the airplane. Mmm. Mmm. Uh-huh. Mmm. So delicious. Here we go. Oh, yes.
I'm chewing on the spoon. Eat your cereal, honey.
I don't want her to gag herself.
No, no.
Come on. Who got you this spoon, honey? Did Grandma buy you this spoon? Grandma bought you this spoon. You can think of Grandma every time you use this spoon. You have many spoons as beautiful as this from Grandma.
Here you go.
Mm. That's delicious. Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Open up. Open the hanger. Oh, yeah. Mmm. So good. So yummy. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. You like it. Open the hanger. Open the hanger. Oh, so hungry.
She's eating a good deal.
She was hungry. But first, she's doing to succeed. Find another way to skin the cat. Don't gag yourself, honey. Good job. Yep, this one's a little too big. Yeah, she gagged herself. She sticks it all the way back in her throat. It's okay, honey. Mommy's gonna help you, okay? Make sure you don't gag yourself. She does, but she has to let go. Let go. Let go. Okay. Come on. Oh, honey. Come on. Come on. She does one more. She's getting close to her. Okay. There you go. Just stay on track, okay? Here we go. Oh, yummy. Mm-hmm. I have no idea what that is. Mmm. Is it delicious? Mm?
Keep eating, Isabella. Yeah.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Very good.